Hey guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. Today is my first thrift haul in I don't even know how long. This is going to be a mix of things that I've thrifted at a couple stores that I've been to recently, plus some of the final thrift flipped product. Some of this stuff didn't look like this when I got it. Best believe me. It is so hot in here. If you guys haven't joined the fam here, I would love to have you, so hit subscribe if you haven't already and join in on all of the fun that we have on over here. I am going to roll the tape of some of the thrift with me footage that I got. My focus when I was looking for a lot of these items was honestly, like, I was on Shopbop, I was on a bunch of these more expensive websites looking for summer dresses, and I realized, hey, I can actually make some of that stuff, so that is kind of what I did. Let's go on to the first dress. You guys can see it in this before clip here. It is this massive, like, muumuu. It is so big on me. It literally, like, I probably could have made two dresses out of this, to be honest. But I did this technique called gathering. So what I did was actually cut out the neckline and I made it look a little bit more like a modern style neckline because it was quite high. I actually flipped the dress the other way, so that way the buttons that you saw in the front there are actually in the back, so I was able to take it in that way. And then, like I said, I did this technique called gathering. So I did a tiered dress. I'm going to have a bunch of tutorials in the description box below for you guys. We are going to be attaching it good sides facing together, so that way we are left with a nice clean edge and some gathering on this tier. If you guys want to see like the full transformation of this, I can make a little mini IGTV video for you if you guys are interested in that, because I do have more footage of it. My friends, this is how it turned out. This literally looks like something that you guys can get off of any of those like trendy stores right now, any Instagram type of like vibes that you see that are going for like $400 or something insane, except I got my thrift store for $7. So you can have it this baby doll style where it's just completely out, or you can cinch it in at the waist. I'm gonna link some similar dresses to this if you guys are not down to thrift and like make one, but I think that this was super cute and literally cost me $7, so that was great. Moving on, one of the things I want to get, and something that I've been seeing as like a trend for summer, is seersucker. So that basically is just this like summery pinstripey type of fabric in these pastel colors. It's usually made out of a cotton twill and it's so pretty. I actually already have a shirt like this. I'll pop it up of like that on my Instagram here, but I want to get a few more pastels because I think that they're really fun to play around with. I actually picked up this Calvin Klein shirt, and this is a size 16 and a half, 34, 35 large. That doesn't mean anything. This is this pretty purple color. It looks so nice on, and especially if you have a little bit of a glow going on, I think this is super nice over a bathing suit. It just gives you that like preppy Hamptons vibe that I feel like everyone is going for this summer. And then the second one that I actually found was this pink one, and as you guys can see in the before shot, it's a little too slim fitting, so even like as a dress it would be just a little bit too tight around my hips like this. So my plan is to pretty much just shorten it. So I've also seen a lot of these oversized men's shirts as like crop shirts, so that's exactly what I did here. All I did was cut it, did a rolled hem at the bottom, and voila. The grid pattern on this made it very easy to cut evenly. With the extra fabric, I actually dove into another trend that is so easy to make, and it is those oversized scrunchies. I actually made one myself so that way they can match, and they're super adorable. These are so easy. All you have to do is sew a strip of fabric, or you can even glue it, turn it inside out, make sure you have an elastic that fits around your hair, loop it in, sew, and that's pretty much it. That's like pretty much the gist of it. I actually have a DIY scrunchies video that you guys can see that can show you guys how to make this, and all you have to do is make it a little bit wider if you want that oversized vibe. I thought that this was a cute little set. Like, can you imagine? I got this shirt for like $7, but now I have a cutie little matching scrunchie and top set. The last dress I picked up from that particular thrift store was this long like tubular dress, and honestly this was a little bit of a fail on my part because I actually cut it too short when I thrift flipped it. So it looks okay in the camera here, but the ruffles hit like halfway towards my butt, so I just don't feel super like comfortable with it on, but it still would make a really cute beach cover up. If you guys are a novice sewer like me, you know you're bound to make mistakes. Even the professionals make mistakes. But anyway, this was like a midi style, and what I decided to do is chop it right in half pretty much and use the ruffle to still be a part of the dress, and it already had like a really nice drawstring neckline. So this turned out really cute, looks good on camera, a little bit too short. Maybe I'm gonna have to give it to one of my friends who are under 5'4". You know what, guys? Maybe I should put this on my like depop or something. I really want to put some of like my like creations, I guess, that I'm not really wearing anymore, and I think it'd be fun to kind of give back. maybe I could do it with like a charitable cause. Also, I'm not sure yet, but follow my Depop if you haven't already, because I'm definitely gonna be posting a few things there. We stopped by another thrift store, which was like a Value Village, like more up in the suburbs. It was super empty when I went, which was really, really nice, and they had a lot of selection. The only thing is with Value Village, I forgot how freaking expensive it is, but I digress. Okay, let's just move into the haul. The first thing I picked up that I actually flipped was this red number. So Dylan saw this and he was like, ooh, like, I don't know what you're going to do with that. But I knew, because I saw so many cute dresses with these ruffly little necklines. It's very like, I don't know, like European picnic vibe, and they had so many gathers, and like essentially what I did to this dress is what I did to this dress. And it turned out completely different because I didn't do the tiers, I just did one gather at the end. Yeah, that's pretty much what I did. For gathers, FYI, you're going to need 2 times the length of the tier you're sewing onto when you gather. I'll have like a more concise tutorial or something else linked that I watched, but yeah, I thought that this was really nice. It's nice like on its own, but you can also tie it up and give your waist a little bit more definition. Like I said, guys, I saw these dresses for so much more money. If you have money to part with, I'll still link some down below for you guys, but you can easily make one. I'm getting a little loopy here. It's really hot in here. I think I got this dress for like 10 bucks. Like I said, Value Village was like way more expensive. Okay, the next thing, like I said, pastel shirts. I'm really into them. So this is a Dockers one that I picked up. I believe this was also like $10. I got this in a size medium, and you guys know I've been loving yellow for summer, so I thought that I had to add this to my collection. It's so cute with a pair of cutoff shorts, a little bikini, a little bucket hat maybe even. I think that this is just like the perfect bathing suit cover up for the moment. I'm gonna have this for a really long time. I just know it. Okay, the next thing I got was this pair of oversized Calvin Klein jeans, and I teased this on my Instagram actually, and you guys were like, oh my god, what are you gonna do with those? Hit, I made a dress. Yeah, these are just a little bit too large, but I think as a dress this could be super cute. I obviously want to keep all of this Calvin Klein detailing amongst the whole thing, and I think with a little white tank top underneath, this could be adorable. So this was really easy. I actually have a tutorial on how to make like oversized pants or denim into a skirt, and I'm gonna link that tutorial in the description box below for you guys because it's really, really easy. This literally took me 10 minutes to do, and now I have this really gorgeous Calvin Klein vintage denim overall dress. Like, how adorable is that? I don't know how much these would cost like normally, but this was like $8, I think. It was weirdly cheap for Value Village. It still has all of the details of the Calvin Klein. Like, look at the freaking buttons. They say CK. Like, this is so stinking cute, and I didn't actually do any alterations in terms of resizing it or anything. The only thing I did was cut off the bottom, and now I have leftover fabric for another project in the future, which I'm really excited about. So I found this orange Wilford dress at the thrift store. It was really cute. I think it was about $6, and Wilford, for those of you who don't know, is like an in-house brand for Aritzia. It was actually really cute the way it was. The only thing is it was a size large, which meant that it didn't fit me because I normally wear a size small. So I decided to cut it off. I love these halter style dresses I've been seeing everywhere. You guys know I made a top similar to this, which is pretty much the tutorial I used for this type of garment, except it has like a skirt obviously attached. It's just like the halter top that I made in another video, except it's a dress and it's super cute. And guys, it's also really important to keep the pockets in every item you do, because pockets are hard to make. It would be sad to lose them because they're very practical. Yeah, I think that this is so cute. It looks like something that you can get at somewhere like really expensive. I think it's adorable. Also, guys, this tangerine color, it's so nice for summer. And last but not least, I actually found one designer bag at the thrift store at Value Village. They had this juicy wristlet. It was only $10, guys, and like, how freaking cute is this? Like, it's so adorable. I think that you can actually unclasp this and make it like wristlet style too, but I like it as a little mini like baguette bag. I think it's super cute. The inside, everything looked really good. Everything checked out. I used to have a bag exactly like this when I was like 12 or 13. This really kind of brings me back, except this one's actually a lot more wearable because the one I had was like definitely not this wearable. It was like a green terry cloth. So adorable. I'm gonna be wearing this so much. I am never getting rid of this. This is so cute. And the fact that it was like 10 bucks. For me, like, Juicy always has like my heart. Like, it's very nostalgic for me. I know some people would be like, that's so ugly. Like, why'd you buy that? But I really like it. And gives me that 2000s like Mean Girls vibes that, you know, we all know and love. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. I'm gonna get out of here because it's super hot, but I hope you guys are enjoying your summer and staying safe and healthy. And with that being said, I'm gonna go. Let me know which piece was your favorite, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, everyone.